This smoothie has bananas, pineapple, peaches, and some almond butter. And I just put a little water in it because that almond butter is going to make it milky enough for me. And here we go. Let me tell you, I bought that Ninja a few years ago because I needed a good blender because I went through 2 blenders in less than like 2-3 months. And I was like, okay, I want to spend like maybe $25 on a blender. But you know, most things that are good don't cost $25 anymore. So I really wanted an old school blender with a glass top, but again, it was like pretty impossible to find at the time. So I ended up paying $100 for that Ninja, and let me tell you, that was one of the best investments I've ever made. So if you want a good blender, a Ninja is a good option. That's it. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.